Hello my darlings, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, I'm using my mic actually. Today I just decided that we should have a little fashion show. I wanted to show you 4 outfits to be precise that are so simple, super easy, and they are so budget friendly. This white dress is from H&M. It cost me £17 sterling. And I love it. I actually wore it in the London vlog yesterday. Yes, I did. It's very easy, breezy, freezy. This is a size medium. But even if you're bigger than a medium, this will work for you. It's lovely. Wear white bra, sunglasses, good to go. I'm not even wearing makeup. How about that? I'm not wearing makeup in this little fashion show. No, just throw on sunglasses and you're good to go. Oh, I love these. I love the red. I love the fabulosity of it all. And of course, my traditional hair in a bun, which I love. And you are out of there. Yeah, you know, what can I tell you? I totally love this dress. I love the fact that it's easy breezy. If I get too cold, throw on a sweater. And that's it. This summer, it's all about skin. It's all about healthy eating. It's all about being free. It's not about being constricted. And I have my fabulous duo bag that hubby bought for me when I lost 40 pounds last year. Yep, I've gained a couple back. And that's me doing my little walker loops. The heels are from ZARA from way back when, but they're still fabulous. And they're a lovely nude that goes with everything. So I thought, yeah, you know what, why not? I almost failed there. I was trying to, break the 4. I made it, but it was close. And here's a close-up. And you can see the sunglasses. The sunglasses were cheap. I think I got it at a street market or something. And I bought them because of the red. Red is what? Red is my favorite color, my darlings. Love, love, live, live. So that was where just random sunglasses. And, they're wonderful. That way, I have expensive sunglasses and I have cheap ones. I kind of wear the cheap ones so that if I lose them, I don't cry my heart out. It just works, yeah. And it's so funny. Do you know what's in my bag? My pink slippers. Yes, we get to location, then I put on my heels. So you can wear the dress with heels, you can wear them with flats. It's just options. And my wonderful, gorgeous white pedicure. I always love white. I always wear white. I always have white. It's just that beautiful, clean pedicure feeling I get when I just wear white. And I got my bag monogrammed with my name, and I love it. Yes, I do. So yeah, that is look 1. I love the dress so very much that I bought it in another color. And this is like a burnt orange. And I have my Celine bag, I have my Azura heels, and again it works. Wear a beautiful bra. Your bra can be the pop of color. How about that? Your bra can be the pop of color. It can be yellow, it can be white, it can be orange, it can be pink, it can be blue, it can be anything, any color that you like for that little pop of color. Again, these are sunglasses that I bought in some market or whatever, cheapies, but it completes this look. This is my neighbor. He was saying, Fumi, you look fabulous, because he always sees me, around pushing Paduski. So he was like, oh, Fumi, where are you going, my love? I said, nowhere in particular, just, dressing up for my cyber sisters. He was like, oh, interesting. I said, yeah. Do we love, darlings? Do we love? Mwah. For you and for you and for you. Kiss, kiss. God bless. Thank you. And there you go. Yeah. This is a dress I love. You can wear it to lunch, you can wear it to a wedding with a hat on, you're good to go. This dress I got from ZARA. I must have gotten it like a couple of years ago. I totally love it. It's so easy. I love the fringe at the bottom. It makes it so gorgeous and feminine, and it has a cascading of flowers all the way down the dress. Beautiful sunglasses that you love, my little Chanel bag that I absolutely adore to bring out the pink in the dress, but you can accessorize it as you wish and desire. And I have a little skinny yellow belt that goes with my yellow sandals. I think I got the yellow sandals from ZARA as well. And you're dressed. You are dressed. It's so easy. And you can wear the dress without a belt. You don't have to have a belt. I just accessorized it that way, you know, just to give you options and let it have it in and have it cinched in, you know, for more pronounced boobage. But yeah, simple, wonderful. It's got tassels also down the shoulders, in the front as well as the back. It's a really beautiful, fun dress. And a lot of people say, oh my God, Fumi, that's from ZARA? I said, yes, that's from ZARA. So yeah, they're very, very stylish. It's just a one-stop shop. And you just throw this on and you are good to go. Do you see the detail of the dress? Is it not beautiful? And then the yellow sandals. Yep, that's it. I love this dress. Oh, I absolutely love this dress. It gives me 70s vibes. I got it from ZARA from our vlog shopping yesterday in London. Beautiful. It comes in extra small all the way to an extra large. I got this in a medium. This is like my Gucci belt, which I've had from like 2 years ago, and then clear heels, because I felt that the dress had a lot of pattern. But you can again dress it any which way that you want, and it's very much a statement piece kind of dress. Yes, very much a statement piece kind of dress. Comfortable, fabulous, fits like a dream, and it's one of my favorites for this summer. I cannot wait to rock it. I've just found out that one of my girlfriends is having a baby. Yes, and so most probably I might wear this to the baby shower, you know. But then again, is she having a girl or a boy? Because it's very pink, isn't it? But it's still very fabulous. And that is it, my darlings. I hope you loved this. Let me know if you like stuff like this, because I said I'm going to do more fashion for you guys. So I just wanted to do something that was really relatable, accessible, and you know, stuff for the summer. And we can do it through autumn, winter, but more fashion as well as beauty. And I thought, you know what, why not do something today and just get out of the house? The weather is too nice to stay at home. Next thing we're going to do is what I eat in a day. Yes, keep that waistline snatched, honey. It's difficult, but yep, it's doable. All of my love, darlings. I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.